to another episode where we help you socially distance yourself from fake and misleading information. At the top is a news report from a newspaper in Gujarat that claims that in India the number of coronavirus patients are 8,000 per lakh population. The government has refuted these claims. In fact, according to official figures, the number of cases per lakh population in India is 7.9. The government also compared this to data from other countries where there are 62.3 cases per lakh population, and India this is 7.9 cases per lakh. And the mortality rate per lakh population was 4.2 globally, and for India that figure is 0.2. So far, because of a timely lockdown and other interventions, the centre says, like contact tracing and identification and clinical management, the cases and the mortality rate is fairly controlled. A viral Facebook post shows a video of people allegedly throwing away idols of Hindu gods. The claim with this video is made that the people are throwing away Hindu god idols because they failed to protect the population against coronavirus epidemic. This, of course, is obviously a fake information. The video was taken sometime in 2015, and it is that of the immersion of the Ganesh idols after Ganesh Chaturthi. Now, there are several images, viral images of migrant laborers doing the rounds, but some of these are very misleading. Especially the images, two images we're going to talk about today is one that's really going viral, a video of a woman traveling with her tiny infant on her lap between two bogies of a train. This video is completely misleading. It's taken from somewhere in Bangladesh in 2016. Another image that was going viral was of a woman who was cycling her way to some place with her infant child tied on her back. This image is also misleading as it was taken in Nepal, and the image was going viral completely out of context. Another video doing the rounds was of footage from allegedly from Telnipara in West Bengal that saw sectarian violence some days ago. The video was being circulated with the claim that this is the distress that Muslims in that area are facing. But this video, in fact, is from a Rohingya refugee camp somewhere in Bangladesh, and the screen grab is taken at a point where distressed, very visibly distressed women and children are crying because their houses are literally burning down. But this has nothing to do with coronavirus, and this has nothing to do with India. And lastly, there are many viral claims doing the rounds since forever about household remedies against the coronavirus infection. Now, all of these are in fact untrue. There is no cure in your household, none that has been scientifically proven to kill the coronavirus. However, if you want to go ahead with so-called household remedies, if you want to, in fact, the two that are going viral recently was that of having baked soda in your tea and of inhaling mustard oil, which will, in fact, the claim was being made that inhaling mustard oil pushes the virus in your nostrils down to your stomach, where the acid in the stomach kills it. Now, all of these are actually misleading. The household remedies can help against the common cold or the flu, because that's a virus of a different nature. The coronavirus is a novel virus which we are still understanding, and we are still trying to find an effective cure against it. The entire world is working in order to find an effective treatment against the coronavirus. The household remedies are not going to work, and if you have faith in them, you want to go ahead, try them. But in case you see the onset of any COVID-19 like symptom, it is advisable and you must contact your nearest healthcare department or a government helpline, and never flout any of the government issued guidelines. That's all this time. Thanks for watching.